eyes and made each one true. Something no one else had found a way to do. The memories one by one since you took me. Just how good it's been, and I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know
Please welcome the lead stars of Barcelona and Love Untold, your favorite love team, Catherine Bernardo and Danielle Padilla! Alright!
Grabe! Gusto ako, nung nakita ko yung trailer, excited akong panoorin, Papa P. Lalo na kinunan nila sa Barcelona, Spain.
Yes!
Ito, gusto ko lang matanong na excited akong malaman kasi anong pakiramdam ng direktor niyo, Teka Libre? Diba, si Direk Inang Olive Lamasan, anong pakiramdam? Sobrang saya kasi parang lahat tayo gusto, di ba, ma-handle ni Inang, and we are very happy kaya tinanggap na yung project na ito, kaya napaka-special po para sa amin ni DJ itong Barcelona, and of course pinagsama pa sila ni Ate Cormy Raimundo. So yung silang dalawa yung nagsulat, yung storya, yun po, sana abangan niyo Barcelona, I Love Untold. Ganyan?
Binibilang kami ni DJ.
Anong binibilang?
I was gonna ask you ano ba dapat abangan, and I was asking kung kailang pelikula na sila nagka. As a love team now, this is their fifth, and we all know that this is really now, it's kind of mature.
Yeah.
Mas mature na to, syempre, marami na kayo pinagdaanan sa buhay, career. Ano ba dapat abangan ng mga manonood ng pelikula ninyo? DJ.
Ayun nga, syempre hello muna po sa inyong lahat.
Yes!
Ayun, syempre ang aabangan nila dito yung, sabi nga natin, yung maturity ng characters namin ni Catherine. And talagang, I think magugulat talaga sila. Magugulat sila sa pinagkaiba nito sa mga past movies namin ni Catherine. And hindi naman yung masamang gulat. Magugulat sila na yung sa magandang way. So,
and of course, this theme song was sung by none other than Mr. Gary V.
Yes,
So guys, please once again invite our audience, invite everyone in the world to watch her movie.
Again, mga kapamilya, Barcelona, I Love Untold, showing na po yan on September 14 at cinemas worldwide. And of course, it's directed by the award-winning director, Olivia M. Lamasan.
yes, at sa Pilipinas, ang premiere night po namin ay sa September 13 Tuesday sa SM Mega Mall. At kita-kita po tayo on September 12, 4 p.m. sa SM Cebu, 6 p.m. SM Seaside. At may mga international screenings po kami sa September 18 sa Malaysia, sa September 22 Papua New Guinea, Middle East sa September 23 Saipan, US and Canada, September 24 sa Europe, September 25 sa Singapore and Hong Kong, September 29 sa Australia and New Zealand.